Hi everyone, welcome back to the Good to Know channel. Today we're diving into something that might shock you, the #1 most dangerous ingredient in the world. And it's not what you think. It's worse than high fructose corn syrup, sugar, starches, or seed oils. This stuff is a potent neurotoxin that damages your brain and nerves, messes with reproductive organs, and is classified as a probable carcinogen. International cancer associations and even the Environmental Protection Agency flag it. But here's the crazy part. You won't find it on any food label because it's not added. It's created during processing. If you enjoy this kind of eye-opening content that helps you protect your health and your families, please hit that subscribe button right now. It really helps build the channel and allows me to keep making these videos for you. Thanks so much. I truly appreciate it. So what's this hidden killer? It's called acrylamide. It forms through the Maillard reaction. The Maillard reaction is that wonderful chemical process where amino acids and reducing sugars in food react under high heat, usually above about 285 degrees Fahrenheit, creating that delicious golden brown color, crispy texture, and amazing roasted flavors we all love. Think crispy, browned edges of French fries or potato chips, the golden brown crust on toast, or the rich flavor of roasted coffee or baked bread. The problem is, in certain foods, this same reaction produces acrylamide as an unwanted byproduct. And acrylamide formation differs significantly depending on the food. It's much higher in starchy plant foods like potatoes, grains, and bread because they contain lots of amino acid asparagine plus reducing sugars. In meats like chicken or steak, the levels stay very low because they lack those key precursors. Foods that are at the highest in acrylamide include potato chips, corn chips, French fries, baked goods, crackers, cookies, breakfast cereals, bread crusts, and even roasted coffee. The good news? Saturated fats like tallow, coconut oil, or butter can actually help reduce its formation, unlike stable seed oils like sunflower, safflower, grapeseed, soybean, corn, canola, cottonseed, and rice bran. These oils are often called the hateful eight in health discussions. They're cheap, widely used in restaurants, packaged snacks, and ultra-processed foods. So how can you avoid acrylamide? Well, choose whole foods over ultra-processed junk. Cook with saturated fats and natural sugars like honey or cane sugar instead of refined versions. Opt for slower, lower temperature cooking methods. And for toast, cook it only to a light golden brown rather than dark or burnt. That single change can make a big difference. And for coffee lovers, go for organic dark roast or espresso. Dark roast is better because the longer, hotter roasting process actually breaks down and reduces acrylamide levels, while light roast tends to have higher amounts since it stops earlier. If you do eat some of these foods occasionally, pair them with protective foods like cruciferous veggies like broccoli, kale, or Brussels sprouts, garlic, sprouts, vitamin C-rich foods, sauerkraut, green tea, or spirulina. These have compounds that help counter the effects. That's why reducing your exposure to acrylamide is a smart move, especially since cancer is a leading cause of death. This isn't about fear, it's about empowerment. Small swaps to whole foods, better fats like butter or tallow instead of unstable seed oils, and smarter cooking habits can make a huge difference in your long-term health. If you found this helpful and want more content like this, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It really helps support the channel so that I can keep bringing you this kind of valuable information. What do you think? Were you surprised by this? Let me know in your comments. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.